Hello students, while preparing JEE exam or NEET exam, we have to prepare some important topics in physics, mechanics, properties of light, that is optics, and the properties of matter, sound waves, electrostatics, current, electricity, and electromagnetism. Let us start the revision of formulae. Only you have to see the formulae and remember them first. Formulae is from straight line motion. Distance s in meter, covered in time t. Also calculated as sum of the distances covered in the time interval. Next formula is of acceleration is equal to v minus v0 upon t. S is equal to v0 t plus 1/2 at square, and v square is equal to v0 square plus twice as. These are three kinematical equations of motion. See again. Here given are the three kinematical equations of motion. Next, formulae for the distance function. If x0 is initial distance from origin, x is the distance at any time t is given by x is equal to x0 plus v0 t plus 1/2 a t square. Uniform circular motion. In this, the angular displacement phi is equal to L upon R. Angular velocity omega is equal to v upon r, and linear velocity v is equal to L upon t is equal to omega r. Now you just see the formulae and try to remember. Centripetal force, frequency, reciprocal of time, acceleration v square upon r, omega square r. Force is equal to ma is equal to m v square upon r. Angular acceleration. Kinematical equations of circular motions gives value of omega, phi, and omega square. Acceleration. coefficient of friction moment of inertia formulas for different objects. Angular momentum L, I and omega are related as L is equal to I omega. In the chapter electricity, you have learned Coulomb's law, electric fields, principle of superposition for electric fields, work of electric force, electric potential difference, relation between E and U, capacitance, capacitor, Capacitances in series, capacitances in parallel, electric field energy of capacitor, electric current, Ohm's law, work created by current, electrical power, resistance, series circuits, parallel circuits, work or heat energy produced by a resistor, power consumption of a resistor, electromotive force of an electrical generator, generators in series, generators in parallel, generators in series parallel, work and power of generator, magnetic flux through the open surfaces, magnetic forces on moving charges, force on current carrying wire, force between two parallel circuits carrying wires, magnetic field of a long current charge wire, magnetic field of a loop, induced EMF, Faraday's law related to electromagnetic induction, inductance, electrical energy, electric magnetic energy, basic parameters, effective current and voltage, Ohm's law, AC current circuit containing only resistance, only inductor, only capacitance, LCR series circuit, phase angle, power factor, real power, electrical resonance and changing voltage with transformers. Let us see the formulae of this chapter one by one. First, formulae is related to Coulomb's law. Electric field strength principle of superposition and total electric field due to different electric fields. Work of electric force. Displacement of charge. Electrical potential difference. Relationship between E and U, electric field intensity and the potential, electric potential. Capacitance. Capacitor. Capacitances in series with values C1, C2, dash dash Cn. If n capacitors are connected in the series, charge on them is same. Charge on the plates of capacitor is same. Q is equal to Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to dash dash Qn. and potential difference is the sum of the potential differences across each capacitor plates. In the series combination, resultant capacity decreases. Capacitances in parallel increases the resultant capacity of the circuit. Electric field energy. Electrostatic energy stored in the capacitor. W is equal to 1/2 C V square or CV square, 1/2 CV square. In different forms, W is equal to 1/2 QU is equal to 1/2 CU square is equal to Q square upon twice C. Wave interference. Two sources S1 and S2 of wave having same phase and a random point. Sound speed. Next chapter is optics, formulae on optics, laws of reflection, refractive index, law of refraction, Snell's law, total internal reflection, sin IC is equal to N2 upon N1, prism formula, thin lens, magnification factor, power of the lens, Next chapter is atomic physics, mass energy equivalence, E is equal to mc square, Einstein's equation, length contraction, relativity, L is equal to 0 square root of 1 minus b square upon c square, relativistic mass, m is equal to m0 upon square root of 1 minus b square upon c square, time dilation, delta t is equal to delta t 0 upon square root of 1 minus b square upon c square, nuclear makeup, A is equal to N plus Z, nuclear reaction, In this class, atomic physics was our last chapter today. Next, we will discuss about the physics used in the different competitive examinations. Thank you.